Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Windows failed to installing the follower update. Error code is 0x800700ea. So how to fix this problem? So you need to follow some easy steps and you can easily resolve this problem. So first step is you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, simply click on it and here is this Windows update. Click on that and wait some few minutes or seconds. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so need to close it and search cmd and run as administrators. Click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type this command line this sfc space slash scan now this. So simply type this command line and press enter. After this scanning process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.